Planning a move and considering a U-Haul truck? One of the biggest questions is what size truck you need and how much it will cost. If you are moving just a few pieces of furniture or a small studio apartment, a pickup truck or cargo van might be enough. These are easy to drive and usually cost around $20 to $30 per day before extra fees. For small apartments or one-bedroom homes, a 10-foot truck is a popular choice. It can fit a mattress set, a sofa, and several boxes. If you are moving a 1 to 2 bedroom home, a 15-foot truck usually provides enough space and even includes a built-in loading ramp. Larger households may need a 20-foot or even a 26-foot truck. These trucks can carry the contents of 2 to 4 bedroom homes, including large furniture and major appliances. But here is something many people do not realize. The advertised daily price is only part of the cost. Your final rental price may also include mileage fees, fuel, insurance, taxes, and equipment rentals like dollies or moving pads. For many local moves, the total cost can range from about $100 to $400. Choosing the right truck size can make your move much easier. A truck that is too small means extra trips, while one that is too large may cost more and be harder to drive. And remember, renting a truck also means doing all the work yourself. That includes packing, loading, driving, and unloading everything at your new home. For larger moves, hiring professional movers can sometimes save time and reduce stress. If you want to compare movers, get free quotes, and find more expert moving tips, visit MoversCom. It is a quick and easy way to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.